Unraveling Angles, a guide to understanding and application. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting phrase: determine the angle. This expression can be quite versatile, used in both literal and figurative contexts. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meanings but also how to use it effectively in your conversations and writings. So, let's get started. When we talk about determining the angle in a literal sense, we're referring to the process of finding the exact measure of an angle. This is commonly used in mathematics, physics, and engineering. An angle is formed by two lines or surfaces that meet at a point, and determining it means calculating how wide or narrow that meeting is, usually in degrees. This concept is crucial for designing buildings, creating art, and even in sports like golf or snooker, where the angle of approach can determine the success of a shot. In a figurative sense, determine the angle can mean to understand or assess a situation from a particular point of view or perspective. It's often used in journalism, debate, and everyday conversation to describe the process of looking at a problem or scenario in a way that reveals new insights or solutions. For example, a journalist might determine the angle for a story by deciding which aspect of the story will be most appealing or relevant to their audience. Understanding how to determine the angle can be incredibly useful in your English language journey. Here are a few tips. In discussions or debates, try to determine the angle of your argument. What perspective are you presenting, and why? When consuming media, think about the angle from which the information is presented. Is there bias, and how does it affect your understanding? In creative writing, use the concept of angles to explore different narratives and viewpoints, enriching your stories. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, determine the angle. Whether you're calculating the measure of a physical angle or assessing the nuances of a situation, understanding this concept can enhance your analytical and critical thinking skills. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject and that you'll be able to use this knowledge in both your English studies and daily life. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.